Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by matching the refill to the pen and understanding why fit matters. Wrong length or tip style changes flow and click tension. Once you have the correct 0, 5 mm or 0, 7 mm refill and basic tools, clear a clean surface so springs and tiny parts don't roll away. You'll remove the clip housing next. Make sure to note how the barrel halves nest together so reassembly is straightforward. Begin with confident. You now remove the old refill carefully. Unscrew the barrel or pry the cap and lift the tube straight out to avoid bending the tip or losing the spring. Check the old refill for clogging or broken feed so you understand why it failed. When installing the new cartridge, align the tip with the clip slot and push until it seats. If your pen has a spring, make sure it sits on the refill's narrow end. Tighten or snap the barrel closed with steady pressure. You finish by testing the pen on scrap paper. Click and scribble to prime the ink, because gel and rollerball refills can take a moment to flow. If the ink skips or the tip misaligns, open the barrel and reseat the refill and spring. Minor sideways play often indicates a spacer is out of position. If problems persist, clean the tip and feed with a bit of isopropyl on a cloth, or try a compatible refill brand. This single troubleshooting step solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.